Hola, 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 hola.
Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. It's good to have you here again, and if you're just seeing this hot chocolate for the first time, hey, this is Tinola, and on this channel I share valuable content. I'm all about making you look your best, feel your best, and live your best life. So please consider joining this thriving family. And welcome to a day in the life of a Nigerian immigrant living in Ontario, Canada. Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the channel. So I'm heading out to the gym. It's been a while since, it's been like a week since I went to the gym. And I also have a swim lesson, so I'm gonna do both of them at the gym. And yeah, let's head out. Hey, all this sunscreen company, they want to finish me. Hey, something funny is cooking here. Okay, let's just call this another sunscreen shenanigan. And as you guys can see, it's giving white cast. After multiple reviews, this is still what I get as of 2023. Okay. Anyway, I'll talk more about it later on, but let's Charlotte Tilbury powder do what it's best at doing, which is giving me that glow, because I won't be walking out of my house with my face looking all that white. Nah, I'm not gonna disgrace my family. Anyway, let's get out of the house and get going. I'm here for my swimming lesson, and as you can see, I have to swim with my braids on because I'm here to find a big swimming cap that can actually cover all the braids in without keeping it wet. And I'll continue my day with some workouts. I am trying to burn every single belly fat I can because I know as much as I say I have belly fat, you guys don't believe, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh no. Baby, I can smoke it out. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning.
Anyway, I love it when I work out and the weather is great. I'm back home and I received a package from Amazon. But before we get into that, let's get on with the rest of the day.
Them a random. Me have to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now.
Alright friends, let's make a quick tasty breakfast. This is Tino Tasty Touch in the kitchen, doing what she knows how to do. Hey.
Microsoft gave me their so what Sheila did, and we need to have the courage to lead. Just cause. But just cause even that someone bring down, the better the brand. They like the idea of standing up to Big Brother in order to win. We have to. Stand, right? was Apple's worthy rival, rather. Apple were the pirates and IBM represented the Navy. And then IBM fell out of the game. And then it was Microsoft that represented the Navy. I'm a Mac, I'm a PC. And then Microsoft fell out of the game. And now it's Google and Facebook that represent the thing that they stand apart from, that helps us understand our own identity. Who are your worthy rivals? They can be individuals, they can be organizations, they can be nation states, people we admire and push us to be better versions of ourselves. Next, you have to have the capacity for existential flexibility. What does that mean? To stand up to the status quo. And when he saw this amazing innovation called the graphic user interface, he immediately saw that this was a way more powerful way to get more people to use a computer, because it was so much simpler and easier to use. So as they're leaving Xerox, he says to his people, we have to input. To the outside world, it'll look like you're crazy. Why would you do it? And well together is because one is thinking extremely long-term and thinking about the greater good, and the other is thinking extremely short-term and thinking what's good for me. And the problem is those are different attitudes of working together. And in my experience, government keeps looking, most infinite organizations are some of the most profitable. Apple, Southwest Airlines, Patagonia, Virgin. These are incredibly infinite thinkers. Because we work there, we will leave it in better shape than we found it. Infinite mindset or a finite mindset.
So I got a package from Amazon. I ordered a couple of filming items. I'm not sure what exactly got delivered, but I'm gonna do an unboxing to see what was delivered. But that'll be after eating because I'm famished. Package came today, already opened. Been opened slightly. Okay, so all right. We have a puff for your microphone. These ones look quite flimsy, but we have new microphones, guys. We have new microphones. Just in case you're wondering why I got these microphones, quick story. I'm trying to upgrade my filming equipment. And so I got a new camera. Let me grab it. So I got a new camera and I need new microphones as well. I've been microphone shopping. It's taken me a little bit of time to finally decide which microphone to go for. And even right now, I'm not completely sure if this is what I want. But this just works perfectly well for sit-down videos and podcasts. So I'm thinking, whenever I'm interviewing people, doing video collaboration with people, I'm thinking of doing podcast style videos. I don't want to outrightly call it a video podcast because I just feel like it gives me a little bit of anxiety. Feels like, oh, you're starting a podcast. But basically, I want to do some video interviews or collaboration with people, and I do need a good microphone. And so I had to get a podcast microphone. I'm trying this one out. It's the most affordable on the market, but I'm still gonna try out other microphones. I also got a wireless microphone, which is the wireless Rode mic. I'm not super impressed with it, but it's It's versatile. I'm still thinking of trying another type, but I will update you guys on which one I choose to go with in another video. And I think I'll make a whole video about, you know, just filming setup, equipment, getting the camera and microphone. I feel like microphones are a bit tricky because different microphones serve different purposes, and it's just, yeah, it can get expensive as well if you're not sure of what to go for. It's gonna take a little bit of time for me to set it up, so I will try it off camera and let you guys know in my next video, you know. But right now I'm going to have my bath. Yeah, that's like the third time where I've been at bath today. Get ready, dress up, because I'm going out for a show tonight. Yes, I'm going to Mississauga, and that's like almost 1 hour drive from here, and it's for a comedy show. I'm really excited about it because yeah, I just want to go out and chill and have a nice. So the rest of my package arrived while I was in the bathroom, and then I'm gonna go do my makeup because hubby's home and I need to be fast. And I'm just making dinner for hubby, just warming up what we had as leftover in the fridge. Okay guys, so for my makeup, I'm going with a simple look. I already did the base of my skincare, but I'm gonna use this vitamin C serum. This is the new vitamin C serum I got from Shoppers Drug Mart, and honestly guys, I almost feel scammed. You know why? Because I got 2 serums and 1 sunscreen, and it was on discount, right? 2 serums and 1 sunscreen. The sunscreen I used this morning, and 1 other serum, this same size, 30 ml, for $62. I mean, I know it doesn't sound too expensive, but guys, this is going to last me probably just 2 weeks. Like, it feels like water. Like, I can't even feel anything. It feels good on my face because I have a dry skin, but come on, I feel like it's easy to be consistent with a skincare routine when the products are more affordable. And some of these brands, they just sell you very basic products that is still not affordable, and it's like, yo, that is scam. I was really looking forward to that sunscreen I used this morning. I've been using it now for the past couple of days. I thought it was going to blend well on my skin because I saw some reviews on TikTok and they looked good. Like, it looked good on a dark skin, but I don't know why it's different though. Like, I feel like some of these guys that review these products, I mean, some of those posts are sponsored or something, because there's no way I would have gotten that sunscreen if I thought it was going to be that white on my face. So yeah, it's a mineral sunscreen, and mineral sunscreens, they have the issue of white cast, but I'm still looking for the perfect mineral sunscreen. It's a lot of foundation. I think I can get away with it. Nah, it's a lot. I'll wipe this off. Alright guys, so quick outfit check. Top from H&M, pants fit jean, bag Zara, shoes Forever 21. I was gonna put on a dress before, but I'm not feeling it and I just want to be comfortable, so this is what we're going for. I'm gonna finish up my makeup, do my nails, everything else in the car. Let's go.
See them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby,
The event was so much fun. I had a nice time, and I just want to know what you guys think so far. Are you enjoying this video or not? If you are, please give it a thumbs up. But honestly, this night was so much fun. I met some people and we're heading back home. It's already 12 a.m. Yes. And of course, I'm going to take off my makeup before I go to bed. But if you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Comment down below if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching, friends. And in the meantime, keep your light shining. Bye.
Me have to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them, then be hating now.